Hello and welcome to my channel. I sometimes make a very weird wave and you can see that candle in the background. Okay, now that all settled, point is today I really want to do sort of a Instagram-esque tutorial in the sense of I'm going to focus on one single eye and really do something very intricate and complicated. I have no idea what exactly it's going to be. All I know is I'm going to probably use these Amerikan Body Art glitters in the shape of stars. So I'm thinking sort of a nice sky with blue. Not sure yet. So yeah, but I thought it'd be a fun journey to take you along on. So let's get started. Okay, at this point all I'm sure of is what colors I roughly want. So I'm going to start out with just making the outer corners darker. By the way, I'm using a gel eyeliner for this. One upside is it's very creamy. On the downside, it does dry pretty quickly, of course, it being a gel eyeliner and all. So yeah, if you're less comfortable with it, you can always use an actual creamy pencil that will not dry down as quickly. Then onto a dark blue shade. I'm really just mostly putting this over top of the black to sort of blend it out a little bit more. Because I want a bit of a blue edge to it. I now switch to a paler shade of blue. And then onto black to really make the outer corner as dark as I possibly can. Okay, so then on to the really tricky part actually. I'm going to do a cut crease. But I want to have the cut crease go into the sort of the outer corner, sort of create sort of a graphic wing effect. And I really hope that my liquid or cream product is going to actually go over the black. But yeah, the way I'm going to use a synthetic brush for that and also a nail art brush, which is technically, well, a nail art brush, but I'm using it as a eyeliner brush. It's really, really thin. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it at this, just so it sort of disappears in my eye there. Or at least in my crease. And then just sort of make it go from a wing and just make it sort of swirl out from my crease. Okay, one swirl is there. I think I want one or two more. Yeah, quite frankly, this reminds me more of the sea than of a starry night. So I'm going to use gold. I just smacked the camera, or the microphone, I mean, sorry if you could hear that. But anyway, I'm going to use gold to sort of fill in the white. So this is a challenge. We're going to treat it as such. I'm going to grab black eyeliner. Okay, so it's on there. Now I'm going to use a glitter liner to go over the spirals. Just going to paint my waterline black before I forget. And actually highlighting the inner corner. And then just going to fill in this eyebrow. I'm gonna start out with a paler shade of blue and then work darker towards the little tail here. For some extra edge, I'm going to outline the bottom side in black and then think I'm going to do a highlight there in gold. And this is also going to be my bottom lashes mascara. And let's just go for it. I'm also going to use it on my top lashes. Want a little bit more definition in that inner corner. And lastly the stars, I'm going to add 5 of them. On second thought I also want some of them beneath my eye. I was sort of on the fence about eyelashes. I sort of want to add some, but I really don't want to like cover this entire thing. So I think I'm going to add parts of eyelashes. So we're left with the final result, and just like with most of the Instagram pics, it's literally just this eye. But yeah, anyway, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please click the like button, it would really help me out. And if you want to, you can also subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of makeup tutorials. Most are actually involving my whole face rather than focusing on an eye. However, I can really recommend this when you just feel like practicing with makeup but don't want to do a full face. Just focus on one eye and make the most of it you possibly can. Just try to feel an entire idea, you know. I don't know, it's just incredibly fun to do and it's a good practice for like tiny lines and details and stuff like that. So yeah, that's something I definitely recommend you doing if you enjoy toying with makeup. Below the video, by the way, as always, you can find a full list of all the products I've used today. Yeah, well, products you used on my eyeball today. And also, as always, you can find a full list of all my social media accounts and names there. I'm mostly active on Instagram and I share it always there. I always share it there whenever I upload a new video to my YouTube channel. So I'd really love it if you'd want to follow me there. Other than that, yeah, thank you very much for watching this particular video. I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope to see you next time. Bye!